If you've ever typed a message in Claude and accidentally sent it too early, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new line in Claude Web Chat so you can format your messages cleanly and make them easier to read. This is a super simple tip, but it can make a huge difference if you like writing longer prompts, adding lists, or separating your thoughts before sending. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. When you're inside the Claude web chat and you're typing in the message box, the key thing to remember is this. If you press enter by itself, Claude will send the message immediately. So if you want to add a line break without sending anything, do not press enter alone. Instead, hold down shift and press enter at the same time. That's the shortcut you need to create a new line in Claude. Once you do that, your cursor will move down to the next line and you can keep typing on a fresh line without submitting the message. This is really useful if you want to format a prompt, like a list, a paragraph, or separate instructions into different sections. For example, if you're asking Claude to help with a project, you might want one line for your goal, another line for the context, and another line for the details. Using Shift plus Enter makes that much easier. You can repeat it as many times as you want to add multiple new lines before sending. So again, the shortcut is simple. Shift plus Enter for a new line and Enter alone to send. If you ever forget, just remember that Enter is the send button and Shift plus Enter is the line break. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to make a new line in Claude Web Chat quickly and easily. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.